Hello there, in this video we will go over how to submit a request to change your major. Before changing your major, you can use the My Progress page to review how the change will impact your graduation. You can check out our other video of how to use the View a New Program feature to see the classes needed for the major you are requesting. Starting at the college website www.hccc.edu, you will click the yellow button that says Menu on the top right corner. Next, you will click I Am, then click Current Student. On the Current Student page, scroll down until you see the link that says Request a Change of Major. This will take you to the Change of Major request form. You will fill out the information needed and then submit it. Your request would need to be approved by your academic advisor and the registrar's office before it can be formally changed. Keep an eye on your HCCC email just in case they reach out to you regarding your change of major request. Thank you for watching. If you need further assistance, you can reach out to the Advisement office at advising@live.hccc.edu.